G'day, welcome back to the 40 channel. So today we're going to be looking at Ben's HJ45 and you're going to tell us about it and how it ended up here.
Yeah, well, it's been in my family for quite a few years now. We use it as a shooting vehicle mainly. We threw the attachment on a couple of years ago so that we could make our own tracks through the scrub out here.
Yeah, nice. That's solid, mate. That is. You ever any dramas pushing through the bush?
It all comes down to the size of the motor. Sometimes we get stuck, but just put your foot down a bit harder, most of the time it's pretty good.
Well, with a Toyota motor like this, I don't think you're ever going to get stuck.
No,
now, I noticed that inside, you mentioned there's a shooting buggy inside here. I noticed that you've got a full-length grab bar with a shooting rack on the front.
Yeah, we had to do that because it gets a bit scary sometimes with all the mine shafts and that around here.
I can imagine, yeah.
You need something to grab onto. It used to have dual axle, but yeah, we took that out because you get so many flat tyres and tyres are getting expensive now, so took that off. But yeah, all in all, it's been a pretty good vehicle. We've got a spare motor on the back just in case we've got to swap it out one of our trips.
Yep.
But yeah, it's good.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Now the fiberglass roof, that's obviously an add-on you've put on there. And I noticed you put like a support bar. It looks like an old leaf spring you put in there to hold the fiberglass roof on. Why is that?
Yeah, well, we used to have a tarp across there and that, but like when it rained, it'd cave in a bit and we'd all get wet, so couldn't really have that. So yeah, put the fiberglass roof on it.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
It's got some battle scars over it. You've got some serious dints and marks. You have a hole here, obviously, had some type of snorkel set up. Was that a home-built snorkel system?
Yeah, that was just a bit of poly pipe that we had on there.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Excellent. Too bad. Did the job, but yeah, we sort of had to retire it. So came over out into the sheep yards, and they're going to look after it for us now, and it's going to be a tourist attraction.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, mate, appreciate your time. Thanks for sharing that.
That's all right, mate. No worries.
And feel free to leave a comment. Do you think this is a pretty unique vehicle? I haven't seen one as unique as this one before, so yeah, good effort, mate. Well done.
No worries at all.
All right, thanks
for
mate.
coming.
Okay, now go.
Hey guys, how you going? We're out at the sheep yards out here at Growan, and this is my Toyota that's been in the family for about 120 years.
So tell us about it, mate. It's a HJ45 by the look of it.
Yep.
What did you use this for?
We mainly use it as a shooting vehicle. So
Tell us about your vehicle, mate. What did you use this for?
Yeah, well, we threw that on a few years ago just so that we could, you know, when we're going shooting and that, we can push the scrub out of the road.
Good, so it makes your own path. There's going to be a lot of editing out of this video.
Go away! Don't be serious.
This is a serious video.
Go away!
Jason didn't want you to run the show, we just want you to
He
stay.
did!
I do, I want him to tell me all about it.
He's giving me all
We're
the
making
prompts and
stories up.
Yeah,
Okay.
Alright, okay.
Did you put your woman in the car, Jack?
What?